The concealer made its appearance during this era when Lydia O'Leary developed Covermark Cream out of a pressing need to hide her prominent raspberry-coloured birthmark that covered half her face and unfortunately diminished her chances of getting a job, as all the recruiters felt her skin condition was unfit for an ideal work environment. Her discovery helped a majority of women cover their blemishes, birthmarks, burns, and various other skin imperfections. Eyelashes were always enhanced, and even false eyelashes were applied to the eyes. Although false eyelashes were used in the early parts of the 20th century, they gained popularity only in the interwar years. Amongst the earliest to have used them may have been George Westmore in about 1917, who was believed to have cut bits of hair from the back of a wig and individually stuck them on Billy Burke's eyes as extensions.